Hey everyone, today I'll be unboxing the Airpod Pro from Dhgate. It comes in that first box because of customs, but once you open it up, you'll see this one-to-one box. And then once you open up this box, you'll see the manual and instructions. Along with ear tips that come in 3 different sizes, and a USB-C charger. To connect the AirPods to your phone, all you have to do is open up the case and it should pop up on your phone. Then to fully connect, hold down the button at the back of the case. These AirPods came fully charged, which is great. Listening modes include transparency, adaptive, and noise cancellation. You can also customize your left or right AirPod. And here's the serial number, it should match up with the one on the box. You could put the serial number through Apple's website and it should come up. The stem control works great on these AirPods. To increase your volume, just scroll up. To decrease your volume, just scroll down. Pause and play is 1 tap. To skip to the next song, it's 2 taps. And to go back to the previous song is 3 taps. Here I'm just testing out the noise controls with the sound, and all 3 of them work pretty good. These AirPods worked pretty well. I'd give them an 8.5 out of 10. If you have any questions about them, please feel free to comment. These are a great cheaper alternative if you're looking for one. If you want to check these out, the link tree will be in my description. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I'll be posting other AirPods and Maxes soon.